everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn a Fujifilm Instax camera on and off. This will be a mini 11 tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So essentially, I'll be showing you and telling you with this simple demonstration how to turn the Fujifilm Instax camera on and off. The instant camera that you see right here, how to turn it on and off. And it will be a mini 11 tutorial because this is a Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 specific camera. Really, really easy to do. It's short and sweet. So essentially, there's a button right here. Okay, now you can see this light is now off, which tells me that the camera is off. There's a button right here right beside the lens, sort of this weirdly shaped button, almost like a curved button. You're gonna press this nice and firmly. That's gonna pop the lens out. That light will turn on. That tells you that the camera's on. So literally right now, you can go and you can take a picture with this button right here. Very simple. And that's it. There's no film in here. I wouldn't waste a picture like that. Listen, I'm balling, but I'm not that balling, okay? These pictures are like $1 each. I'm not gonna go waste a picture like that. Okay, sorry. But anyways, that's how to turn it on. To turn it off is even easier. You literally take your finger right over here, and I do it with 2 fingers like this, and I try to avoid touching this so I don't get it blurry or dirty. And I basically just press this in. When the lens clicks close, you've turned it off. Very simple. So to turn it on, once again, you press this button over here. Boom, just like that. It's on. To turn it off is like this. It's off. Very simple. Once it's on, if you pull this out, you can activate selfie mode. But also, when you want to go from selfie mode to regular mode, you have to turn it off and then back on. You can't just pop that little part of the front part of the lens closed. You have to turn it off and on. That's it. That's how to turn this camera off and on. Really, really easy. A lot of people look for another button, but honestly, it's the lens pop-up button right here that turns it on. That light tells you that it's on, and then you just close this, and it automatically turns off. That light being off tells you that it's off as well. Honestly, it's really, really easy to do, and I'm showing you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. If you like this video, tutorial / explanation / demonstration / my storyline and entertainment, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.